Hi guys, today's Earth Day, or Nature Day. Good evening, my God. It's Friday, April 22nd, 2022. No, 7. Yeah, right? Oh, let me get you set up. Okay, that's right, Mary Josh. Oh, it's Nature Day. I have a special something just for this occasion, so come find me later to grab it. Okay. There's Isabel. There, today is Nature Day. That's why I prepared a special little something to celebrate Nature Day this year. Ooh, it's a cool glow. Please take it and never forget the importance of a clear town. Alright. Ooh, cutouts. Thank you, Isabel. Okay. And there's the cool glow right over here. Oh. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this video. And goodbye and happy Nature Day. Happy Earth Day.